My name is Lori Coakley. I'm a professor of management for the Department of Management at Bryant University. The management program is a top-ranked program that rivals the larger universities. What makes our program really unique at Bryant is the fact that it is very hands-on. We integrate theory with practice. We work with industry leaders who help us design a very innovative curriculum for all three areas of management, including general management, leadership and innovation, and team building and project management. I think a unique differentiator at Bryant, and especially beneficial to the management program, is the IDEA program, the Innovation Design Experience for All freshmen take the first year here. What's great about this program is the fact that we introduce you to the concept of design thinking, a really highly innovative program used in many organizations outside of Bryant. This 3-day program is highly intensive. You start with a design challenge and you bring it from beginning to fruition, presenting it at a trade show in front of judges, alumni, and other professionals. The IDEA program really counts on your opportunity to work in a team, and we teach you how to do that effectively. That then translates into the opportunities that you'll receive your junior year when you begin the team building and project management program at Bryant. Starting your sophomore year in our Introduction to Management course, you have the opportunity to work on a service learning project, which takes you off campus and working with nonprofit organizations. Your junior year, you'll then engage in additional projects within the department in many of the courses that we offer. In organizational behavior, for example, you may work with a company and help them address an issue or problem that they might be having in a behavioral level. Your senior year, one of the best courses that we offer is Advanced Design Thinking. It takes that knowledge you gained your freshman year in the IDEA program and builds on it. You actually work with a real company and solve a real issue. I always encourage management students to gain a lot more experience outside the classroom than simply inside the classroom. This can happen through many of the clubs and organizations we have on campus. A lot of times, the speakers that come to these clubs and organizations are there not only to interest you and invite you back to their own organizations, but to also give you the opportunity for internships in the future. As a management major, your freshman year, you have the opportunity to take several courses in business, which is really unique compared to other universities. For example, you can take the Global Foundations of Business course that will expose you to all areas of business, but really understand the impact of management and how it's related to other areas. One of the unique benefits of attending Bryant is that we integrate liberal arts with business. This is highly important because it provides us critical thinking skills necessary to be successful, not just in the classroom, but once you get that first job as well. And we've seen this time and time again. For example, I had a phone call from a recent alum who just told me about her promotion. She's one of the youngest at PepsiCo to reach this particular rank. I have another former student who couldn't wait to tell me about working for this marketing research firm, Epsilon. And in that role, again, she quickly ascended the ranks. We've had many students who have been highly successful in organizations such as MIT, Hasbro, Amica, FM Global, and CVS. One of the unique benefits of the management program are the internships that we offer. And what's really exciting for students is many times now you can begin these after your sophomore year. So you can have a summer between sophomore and junior year getting really practical experience and understanding what area of management you'd like to pursue. This is really important because as you move through the program, you may decide there are other things that you'd like to focus on. And then you have the opportunity for a second internship between junior and senior year. You can also do internships during the academic year, and it's a nice way to integrate theory with practice and do the practical with the academic.